Building wealth with life insurance like a millionaire. Have you ever pondered the secret strategies that savvy millionaires use to accumulate and protect their wealth? Well, the truth is, while they might make it look easy, their path to financial prosperity isn't shrouded in mystery. It's based on sound financial principles and, surprisingly, the strategic use of life insurance. Surprisingly, few people know, much less understand, that life insurance is one of the best vehicles to grow wealth and to do it without incurring taxes. In this video, we go over how millionaires grow their wealth with life insurance. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll uncover the hidden marvels of wealth accumulation that are often employed by the wealthy elite. This is not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. Get ready to unlock the secrets that have allowed Walt Disney, JCPenney, Ray Kroc, and even high-ranking government officials to secure their financial futures. So, get comfortable, grab your notebook, and let's explore on a journey to understand how you can build wealth with life insurance like a millionaire. Part 1. The Power of Tax-Free Wealth Accumulation. Savvy millionaires understand that the journey to wealth isn't about chasing high-risk investments with extravagant returns. Instead, it's about making intelligent, calculated decisions that harness the incomparable power of compound interest within a tax-free environment. This forms the cornerstone of their financial success. They grasp that it's not about reaching for pie-in-the-sky rates of return, but rather consistently setting aside money and having it earn compound interest in a tax-free environment. Imagine doubling your wealth conservatively every 7 to 10 years, all while keeping it entirely tax-free. We'll delve into how this strategy differs from standard investment methods and why it's such a potent financial tool that every aspiring millionaire should consider. Part 2. The 3 Marvels of Wealth Accumulation. Life insurance has been the chosen vehicle for numerous multimillionaires and billionaires throughout history. You might be surprised to discover that iconic figures such as Walt Disney, JCPenney, Ray Kroc, and David Walker, the former Comptroller General of the United States, utilized life insurance to construct, safeguard, and perpetuate their wealth. Let's journey into their stories, shedding light on how they masterfully leveraged life insurance to their advantage. It's not just about amassing wealth, it's about employing life insurance as your personal financial instrument, a strategy that these financial titans have perfected over time. You see, Walt Disney's ingenious move was to save Disneyland by accumulating funds in a tax-free life insurance contract. JCPenney used life insurance to build, protect, and preserve his wealth. Ray Kroc, the founder of McDonald's, became his own banker, utilizing life insurance to accumulate funds. Even David Walker, the former Comptroller General of the United States, relied on max-funded life insurance as his favorite vehicle for accumulating tax-free wealth. Part 3. The Wealth Accumulation Miracles. Now, let's dive deeper into the 3 marvels of wealth accumulation that have been the best-kept secrets of the wealthy for over a century. They perceive the financial world differently, much like Archimedes, who saw a lever to move the world while others perceived firewood for warmth. The first marvel is compound interest, but not just any compound interest. It's tax-free compound interest. Albert Einstein regarded compound interest as the 8th wonder of the world. But for the wealthy, it's tax-free compounding. Imagine your wealth growing without the burden of taxes, allowing you to reap the full benefits of your investments. This remarkable feature sets life insurance apart from traditional investment vehicles. The second marvel is thrust, symbolizing tax-favored compounding. The wealthy don't settle for a propeller engine. They embrace jet engines, which are entirely tax-free. They earn rates of return that seem like science fiction to most, all while sheltering their wealth from the IRS's grasp. This method not only ensures robust returns, but also keeps the fruits of their investments intact, making every dollar work harder for them. The third marvel is safe positive leverage, the capacity to control assets with minimal risk to your own money. Think of it as owning a skyscraper without paying for it entirely up front. It's a strategy employed by the wealthy to keep their wealth growing, even while they use it for other investments or ventures. They understand that leveraging their assets can magnify their gains without incurring excessive risk, allowing them to seize lucrative opportunities while still protecting their wealth. Part 4. Key elements of prudent investing. Wealthy individuals comprehend that not all investments are created equal. They abide by fundamental principles that significantly impact their financial success. Liquidity, the first pillar of their investment strategy, enables them to access their money without incurring penalties. This sets them apart from traditional investments, where early withdrawals often lead to substantial losses. They safeguard their principal, ensuring that it remains secure even during economic turbulence. They consistently earn a predictable rate of return, one that not only matches inflation, but surpasses it, all while being entirely tax-free. This differentiated approach to investment ensures that their financial resources are protected and continue to grow. Part 5. Becoming your own banker. So, where do these savvy millionaires and billionaires stash their cash to continue building wealth? The answer lies in max-funded life insurance contracts. It's a financial strategy where you invest the maximum amount allowed by the IRS, transforming it into a tax-free cash cow. We'll explore how this strategy operates, with real-world examples of people funding their insurance policies with millions of dollars. The astonishing part is that their money doubles every 7 to 10 years, entirely tax-free. This strategy makes them their own bankers, enabling them to borrow money from their policies to invest elsewhere while still earning remarkable returns. Imagine having a financial vehicle that not only grows your wealth, but also allows you to borrow from it without disrupting its growth. This provides a level of financial flexibility that few other investment options can match. These max-funded life insurance contracts act as a financial Swiss Army knife, serving multiple purposes simultaneously, from wealth accumulation to tax savings and liquidity. Part 6. Ensuring financial security. The wealthy understand that building and preserving wealth require a robust financial strategy. They don't leave their financial well-being to chance. It's about having a diversified portfolio that can withstand economic fluctuations. Moreover, they employ life insurance as a safety net, ensuring that their wealth remains protected. Unlike traditional investments that might be vulnerable to market volatility, life insurance offers stability. In times of financial turmoil, these policies continue to provide a stable return, often exceeding the performance of other investments during market downturns. Furthermore, life insurance acts as a powerful tool for generational wealth transfer. Instead of leaving behind a complex web of assets and liabilities, the wealthy use life insurance to ensure that their loved ones receive a tax-free inheritance. This guarantees that their wealth remains intact for future generations. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration of building wealth with life insurance like a millionaire, we've unlocked the vault of secrets employed by the financially elite. These aren't tactics of chance, but well-thought-out strategies deeply rooted in financial wisdom. The path to building wealth like a millionaire isn't unattainable. It's a matter of adopting the right financial strategies. Understanding the power of tax-free wealth accumulation, leveraging the 3 marvels of wealth accumulation, and becoming your own banker through max-funded life insurance contracts are key components of this strategy. These steps, grounded in prudent investing principles, offer financial stability, flexibility, and long-term wealth preservation. By embracing these practices, you can embark on a journey towards financial prosperity and security, just like the millionaires before you. You are now equipped to take control of your financial future. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey of discovering the key differences between the secret strategies that savvy millionaires use to accumulate and protect their wealth. If you found this information valuable, please remember to hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe for more financially changing content.